Penny here from the Junk Journal Ministry, and that's just Penny. Today I'm going to be showing you the page that I created from the Junk Journal Playbook version number 11. This is our first prompt, our first page, using the digital printables that comes with the kit. So it's just basically layering and adding some text and things with the digitals. So I'm super excited. I love how this turned out. I love how this little tag turned into a little booklet type, envelope type item. It is super cute. So, whether or not that you like using the digitals or just using from your stash, I hope that you find. I stamped a scripture on just a scrap piece of paper and I added some thread in the fake button that was included. I added the mushrooms down here as a tuck as well. And then it's also a pocket. So there's also a pocket for the base page. This is from the first set that I did of just stuff in my stash. So this is the first that I kind of followed with just using items from my stash. And then the second page I created using the digitals, all from the first prompt for this playbook. I hope you follow along with me and create with me. If you do, please don't forget to tag me or shoot me a message on Messenger. Here you can see from the page and then from the prompt.